Good morning, my dear students. You can get everything for the academic year, means the whole syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. For today, chapter is lines and angles from class 9th, and our topic is theorem 6.2. Theorem 6.2 is if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. For this purpose, let's draw two parallel lines AB and CD. Here AB is parallel to CD and a transversal PQ intersect AB at R and it intersects CD at S. So we can write given that a transversal PQ intersects two parallel lines AB and CD at R and S respectively. It is given that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, means a transversal PQ intersect two parallel lines AB and CD at R and S respectively, then the part of the statement which is written after then will be our proof. So we have to prove that each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. Which one alternate interior? This one and this one and this one and this one. These are two pairs of alternate interior angle. We have to prove these two pairs of alternate interior angles are equal to each other. Means we need to prove that first bit angle BRS equals to angle RSC and angle ARS equal to angle RSD. Now we have to prove this. For this purpose, we don't need any type of construction. Let's start the proof. It is, we know that the vertically opposite angles are equal, and also we know that from axiom 6.3 that the corresponding angles are also equal. Let's take this concept to prove this. Means angle ARP, which is the vertically opposite angle of this angle. So angle ARP, vertically opposite angle means these two are vertically opposite angle. So angle ARP equal to angle BRS. Let it be equation 1, and in the bracket we have to write vertically opposite angle. Next, angle ARP and angle RSC. This angle and this angle are corresponding angles. So we have to write that angle ARP equal to angle RSC. Let it be equation 2. In the bracket we have to write corresponding angle. Now see equation 1 and 2. LHS of both these equations are equal, so we must write that the RHS are also equal. So from equation 1 and 2, we can write LHS are equal, so RHS must be equal to each other, means angle B RS equal to angle RSC. We got the first bit of our proof. So second bit is also similarly proved in the same way. So we have to write similarly. We can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that angle ARS is equal to angle RST. Proved. So we have proved theorem 6.2 of chapter 6. So my dear students, anywhere we want to write, you can write, pause the video and write this. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get the uploaded video every time. So you must press the notification icon and try to share this channel also. Thank you.